Hello guys, for today I will clean my PS3 by my own self, and I will show you my tutorial how to clean it. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, this is my PS3 that I will clean up for today. Okay, look for the condition of this PS3. So dirty. Okay, I will show you guys how to clean it. Okay, let's go. Oh, we need to open this bag. You need this tool. Okay, with this I will use this tool, these tools. Okay, yes. Okay, and before we go further, we need to open all the nut cover, guys. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, after you open all the nut cover, okay, you can see this all. Okay, and that is all the nut cover, and then you can proceed to open all the nut. Okay guys, let's go. Okay guys, after you open all the nuts like this, now you can turn it. Okay, you can turn it, and then you can open it. Okay, like this, you can open it. 1, 2, 3. Yes, this is the inside. You can look all the dust on this PS3. Okay, now you need to open this. They call it like power supply plug. Okay, open it carefully. Then one, and there is one more too. This is one more too. Okay guys, this one. Okay, after you open it, now you need to open. Wait a second. You need to open this nut 1 and this nut 2. Okay guys, let's go. Okay guys, for this nut I will use this mini drill because this nut so tight. Yeah guys. Okay, this nut so tight. Okay, we'll open it. Okay, after we open all the two screwdriver, the next part is you can take these things out. Okay guys, but you need to be careful. Sorry because I'm used to one hand, because the one hand right my left hand to record the guys. You just make this. Okay, then you will leave this. Okay, this part. Alright, yes, after you take these things out, next we need to open this fan. So only have to screw, right? Okay. So sorry guys, this is not the power supply, but it's just like, I think it's a battery, right guys? Okay, then open the screw, and then you need to just take it up. Okay guys, this is the fan. Okay, oh, I'm so sorry, just put it here. Okay guys. Okay, after you open all the thing, okay, now you can clean up the PS. Use the wet tissue, guys. Just clean the outside of the part. the wiring or the motherboard thing with the wet tissue. Yes, you can see the dust. Okay, let's go. Yes, also you need to clean this part, but not to use the too wet tissue, guys. Okay, just yeah. I open the lid. You need to gentle clean this part, okay? After you clean this thing up, okay, you need to put it back. Okay, just put it like the first. Yes. Okay. Check all the thing, the cable. Yes. Okay. If it's alright, then you need to plug it again. Okay. This one also. Okay, and then you need to screw it again because this thing cannot open. Okay, so you screw this thing. Okay, next you need to screw this pen also. Okay, put it right. After you clean this head, okay, now you can just put it back. Yes, like this. Then it fits normally. Yes, yeah. Okay. Okay, guys. The next part is we need to knot all the things. Okay, guys. Let's go. I'll show you the time lapse. Let's go. Okay guys, this is the PS3 look after we clean it up. Okay guys, you can see. Okay, okay guys, thank you for watching my